If you want to lock apps on a Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then in that case you can, for example, go to the security app. Over here, if you scroll down, there is a chance that you will find the lock apps option here in common features, but if not, then you want to scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox. And then you should be able to find the app lock option in privacy protection. Now we can turn it on. We need to create the password that will be used for these locked apps, and this is just one password for every app that is locked. And you can also tap on the change password in order to change the password type, of course. In my case, I'm going to use a simple pattern. We need to enter the password twice, and we're going to tap on next. If you use a Xiaomi account, you can use it and add it to the app lock, so that you can recover the password in case you forget it. But if not, if you don't care about it, you can tap on a not now above the green button. And after a couple of seconds, you should be able to confirm by pressing on a not now. Then we have some suggested apps app suggestions that can be locked. But of course, we can tap on these in order to uncheck them so that they will not be automatically locked. And then we can go ahead and choose use app lock. You can also turn on fingerprint unlock, so if you use the fingerprint sensor, then you can use it in order to also use it for the app lock. If not, then you can just tap on cancel. And there we go. We have the list of apps, and of course we can tap on this switcher over here on the right side in order to lock an app. Pretty straightforward. Of course, we can lock many apps at once. There we go. At the top, you should be able to see all apps that are already locked. You can find app lock settings here in the upper right corner in case you need them. And now if you try to open any of these locked apps, then as you can see, we have to enter the password, or you need to use the fingerprint sensor or maybe face recognition if you added it. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.